Yeah, okay, man. What are you doing? You just drove into oncoming traffic. Okay. What the heck just happened? There's cars everywhere.
In 800 feet, turn right onto New Hampshire Avenue.
Yeah. Who else but an Ultima? What are you guys doing? God, these are clueless. Yeah, I completely had right away there, but sure. Damn, they got me too.
Thank God for my life. Full of stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it rain.
What the heck are you doing?
Bro, why is he laughing? Not him laughing.
Look how the Metro bus can make the turn, but that car can't. That's crazy. If you're turning farther in than a bus.
Take the ramp toward US 50 West Washington.
Big drip, what you call it?
what is going on tonight. I don't understand what this problem is. Oh my gosh, lady. She didn't even look left at all. I'm driving there now. Oh my god. What is this van doing? What are you doing, dude? Gosh. Jeez, my god, dude, you want to die? That is how you die on a motorcycle, is doing that. That was insane. What the fuck are these cars doing? That is not the way you just pass people. You just passed it like a bus in the turn lane. Fuck.
With a really nice girl, have some really nice sex, and she's gonna scream out, "This is great!"
Yeah, that was like 6 inches from my bumper, dude. Did you come any closer? Really? Just throw in your signal and force your way over. That's how we do things, man.
I don't think there's a lane, but yeah. Okay.
And you had to clean up. How much does it cost?
I can do
What? What is... That's the crosswalk. I don't understand. It's like the Kardashians.
I don't know, it might be out there.
Okay, yeah, that's the wrong way. Yeah, there you go.